Instagram music problem. This video is gonna help you to fix this problem easily and fast. So all what you have to do is very simple. All what you need is open the settings on your phone. On this page you will find many options, but it's very easy to solve. First thing, open the apps manager on your phone and then go to the apps and then wait a few seconds. It will start loading the apps that you have on your phone. Scroll until you find Instagram app. When you find it, click on it. It will take you to the app informations page. On this page, you will find all the informations about Instagram. So click on force stop and then go down to the permissions, click on it and make sure that all the permissions are enabled, especially the storage permission. Go back, click on the data usage. Now make sure that the Wi-Fi is enabled or the mobile data. Disable them and enable them again. And that's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.